Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nikola Corporation. That's right, Nikola Corporation had earnings recently, and this is just my personal opinion, but I believe that in December, Nikola stock will be at trading around $10, 10 US dollars. Right now, I think the only reason why Nikola stock is even sitting at $18 is because big money doesn't want the stock to drop too much because they want to sell out of their stock once the lockup is expired in December. I don't know which December. I think it's like December 3rd or 4th. So this is just my opinion. I would be buying put options that expire in December, like near the end of December. That's what I would do if I was personally. But right now I have no put options, no call options. I expect a short-term bounce, but I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. But any bounce would be a good time to buy put options, in my opinion. I think the stock price is going to be heading lower and lower. I think the evaluation of $6.86 billion is way too much for this company. And I still think that the stock price is going to head down lower. I just think that big money is trying to keep the stock price up, so then they can cash out of their position, and not really lose too much money. But ultimately, I do think that Nikola stock will sink lower in solar. They just had earnings and they lost 117.5 million Q3. So if they keep losing $100+ million every quarter, in about 8 quarters, they are going to be depleted of any cash that they have. So they really need cash, and investors are still hoping that some miracle with GM would come out. But I honestly believe that GM is not interested in Nikola anymore. They're probably just going to abandon Nikola completely, because this is just my opinion, because if they incorporate their name brand with Nikola, they might get a bad reputation with investors, unless GM gets a really sweet deal and Nikola is super desperate for that GM partnership. So you never know. But according to this, Nikola CEO, we are preparing to go to market alone if we have to without GM Motors. So, like I said, I predicted a while ago that Nikola will, the GM and Nikola motor deal will probably not happen, because it makes no sense. And Nikola has a bunch of lawsuits on them, so yeah, that's not a good thing too. Workhorse right now is up 6 cents. I don't know if Workhorse is a buying opportunity or not. Lordstown looks like one, but who knows? It could sink down lower. It all depends on Workhorse. If Workhorse keeps going up, it probably drag up Lordstown with it. Tesla doesn't look good. It looks kind of bearish. I'll be honest with you. The stock looks bearish. I think that we could see Tesla sink down further. That's just my opinion. Bitcoin is up 50. Is trading sideways. We'll see where that goes. Xilinx is down $8.02 because AMD and Xilinx are linked. If AMD goes down, Xilinx go down with AMD. Fisker Automotive down 49 cents today. Zoom is down quite heavily. Zoom could be a really good opportunity to buy. I don't know. Like, I would say Zoom would be a good opportunity to buy around $250 if it ever crashes down there. I would pick up some Zoom. They are having earnings coming up here on November 30th, so that's near the end of the month. So I think that short term the stock is probably going to head down to around 250. I would say good 250 is a really good support and a really good buying opportunity. I would probably pick up some shares for fun if I see Zoom at 250, but we'll see. And the market is officially closed. Arcimoto down 3 cents. Innovo is today had a nice day, up $3.01. Nano Dimensions today was down 20 cents, down at 7 cents after hours. GameStop today was down 39 cents, popping up 13 cents after hours. Very good food company today. Was a pretty ugly day for Very, and same with Beyond. Very ugly day for Beyond too. Down $25, 16.94%. If you bought some put options, you could have made off like a bandit. Tesla is down $10.90. Candy Technologies today was down pretty big, 22.69%, down at 3 cents after hours. Solo had an ugly day today too, down 26 cents, 7.05%. Blink did okay today, up 21 cents. Afria bounced back a little bit, but you know, still a little volatile. Village Farms did pretty good today, up 32 cents, 4.03%. Canopy is down today, 3.354%. We'll see where Canopy goes. But in my opinion, I think Canopy is going to have a correction here. I mean, sure, big money could try to make it go for break its 52-week high of $24.89. Actually, it's $26.95. But I don't know. I just don't see it. Who knows? We'll see. I mean, anything's possible. I think news will ultimately move Canopy stock, but I think, you know, short term, I think that Canopy is going to sink lower. I could be wrong. It's pure speculation on my part. And just looking at the chart, it just looks like, you know, it looks like Canopy is going to be heading down lower. Very good food. I already talked about Very. Snapchat was down today. I made a really nice return on investment on Snap today. I bought a bunch of put options on Snap at 4 cents. I bought like 100 and I sold it at 25 cents today. And I made a lot of money on Snap put options. Nano Dimension today down 7 cents. Space Virgin Galactic volatile today. Nordic American Tanker had a nice day today, up 4.95%, down a penny after hours. ACB had an ugly day today, down 26.27%, bouncing back a little bit after hours. I already talked about Canopy. Let's look at some of the multi-state operators. Liberal Health Science, what is it doing today? It's down 48. It's down to 48. High Tide today is just trading sideways. MedMen today is trading sideways. Harv today is up 16 cents. Kira today is down 25 cents. Planet 13 today is down 9 cents. What else is there? True today just kind of trading sideways. Cresco Labs is up 3 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.